Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this quick update video, I'm going to check how well the T-MOTRO Tron 80HD can handle carrying a light action camera. In my recent review of the Tron 80HD, which is currently one of the lightest options for the DJI digital FPV system, I concluded that it's a very fun to fly micro quadcopter. However, its main downside is that it suffers from a lot of jello in the flight footage, which is probably caused by the Nebula Nano camera unit and the fact that it's using long motor shafts, which can cause extra vibrations. The weight of the Tron 80HD, including the SMO 4K camera mount, which you can 3D print by yourself using the STL file which is linked down below, is 79.4 grams. Including the SMO 4K camera, the total weight is 111.6 grams. Including a 3S 450 mAh Lipo battery, which should provide you with between 1 to 1.5 minutes of flight time, the total weight is about 152 grams. And the total weight, including a GoPro 7 Black camera, which can fit inside the SMO 4K camera mount with some modifications, is about 108 grams. The next thing that I've done is to head outdoors and test the Tron 80HD while carrying the SMO 4K and the naked GoPro 7 Black cameras. Overall, after testing it out, I can tell you that in my opinion, this is not a very good platform for carrying these types of cameras, simply because it is lacking the power for carrying them, so the performance is going to be very limited, and as I mentioned before, the flight time is going to be very short, and using a 3S 450 mAh Lipo battery, which is the one that I recommend to use with this quadcopter, you can expect only between 1 to 1.5 minutes of flight time. In addition, as you're about to see in the flight footage, the SMO 4K camera couldn't handle well the vibrations of the Tron 80HD, and the flow state stabilization didn't work properly to the point where the footage actually looked better without it. And on the other hand, the hyper smooth stabilization of the GoPro 7 Black camera worked well, so the flight footage was properly stabilized. Anyway, now I'm going to show the flight footage, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.